A step-by-step guide how to share your mobile screen on a Windows 11 laptop. In today's digital age, sharing screen has become a valuable tool for presentations, collaborations and demonstrations. If you are using a Windows 11 laptop and want to share your mobile screen, you are in luck. Windows 11 offers a convenient feature that allows you to mirror your mobile device's screen on your laptop. In this video, we'll guide you through the process step by step, enabling you to effortlessly share your mobile screen on your Windows 11 laptop. Step 1. Connect your mobile device to your laptop using a USB cable. Begin by connecting your mobile device to your Windows 11 laptop using a USB cable. Ensure that your mobile device is unlocked and ready to establish a connection. Step 2. Navigate to Settings menu on your Windows 11 laptop. Once your mobile device is connected, open the Settings menu on your laptop. You can access this menu by clicking the Start button and selecting the gear icon. Step 3. Select System from the left-hand side menu. Within the Settings menu, locate and click on the Systems option. This will bring up a list of system-related settings. Step 4. Access the Projecting to this PC option. Within System menu, find and select the Projecting to this PC option. This is where you can configure your screen sharing settings. Step 5. Enable screen sharing by selecting Available Everywhere. Under the Always Off section, click on the drop-down menu and choose the Available option. This will enable screen sharing on your Windows 11 laptop. Step 6. Open the Notifications panel on your mobile device. On your mobile device, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel. This is where you'll find the screen sharing option. Step 7. Tap on the screen sharing or smart view option. Within the notification panel, look for the screen sharing or smart view option. Tap on it to initiate the screen sharing process. Step 8. Connect your mobile device to your Windows 11 laptop. Your Windows 11 laptop should now appear as an available device to connect. Tap on your laptop's name to establish the connection between your mobile device and your laptop. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.